So I'm sitting down in front of my Christmas tree in my Christmas pajamas, and we are going to do a Christmas haul. Let's go.
Missing someone.
Hello everyone, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Marisa here, and Merry Christmas! Yay! Hi guys, Merry Christmas. I hope you all had a great holiday with your family and your friends if you celebrated. Today I'm going to do the YouTube traditional what I got for Christmas haul. But for those of you who are new here, hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Marisa. I upload weekly beauty, lifestyle, and college-related videos to my channel. Hi, welcome. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's haul. Disclaimer, not trying to brag at all in any way. I hate that I even have to say that because like that's not what Christmas is about. This is just like a fun YouTube thing that I feel like literally every single person does. Anyways, if you guys enjoyed, please give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe for some more videos just like these ones, and as always, leave some nice comments down below, some Christmas wishes, I don't know, kind words. Yeah, just go ahead and get into the haul today. So I think I'm gonna start with some of my little main gifts first. So the main thing that I asked for this year, I needed a new pair of these so bad. I don't think I've had a new pair of these since I was in like middle school, and for some reason I can't wear earbuds, and I can't wear the AirPods that everyone's been getting. I can't wear those because they don't fit in my ears, they don't stay in my ears. So I got a pair of wireless Beats that are silver and are not hot pink like my old ones were. I don't know why like I can't wear earbuds, but they just don't stay in my ears, so I needed a new pair of these really badly. And then I also got this pair of Sperry duck boots. These are my favorite boots to walk around with like at college because they're perfect like for the snow. Like they have good tread on them obviously, but then like they're waterproof like in the rain, anything, and they're just like really casual, really comfy to wear with a cute pair of boot socks. So I love these boots. I got a pair last year for Christmas, and like I told my mom, I literally think I wore them the entire last like 2 months I was at school. Like I don't think I wore any other shoes, so I get a lot of wear out of these. So I got this really cute black pair with like the little bit of brown detailing, but they're like quilted up top, and then they have the zipper. And then my mom completely surprised me this morning and got me a second pair. Sorry if I'm out of focus, I can't tell. And they're olive, and then these are brown. When I opened them up, I thought they were navy, but they're not. And it has the really cute like tannish, yellowish, light brown strings on them. And yeah, they're just really nice. They're really practical gift. Like I honestly really needed them too. So yeah, I'm really happy I got these, and I'm really excited about them. For those of you who are subscribed to me, you know that I am in Delta Zeta sorority at my college, Kent State. So my mom actually got me a really cute Alex and Ani Delta Zeta bracelet. Alex and Ani are my favorite bracelets ever. When I found out they had a Delta Zeta one, I was like, oh, like I need that. Like I can finally wear my letters, like I need that. My grandma also got me a really cute little nutcracker Alex and Ani. I love this gold. I don't really have like a lot of gold jewelry, so I thought that was really cute as well. But yeah, Alex and Ani bracelets are like literally my favorite bracelets, so I was really excited about those. I got some really fun Victoria's Secret winter perfumes. This one is Soft and Dreamy Chilled, and this one is Cool and Bright Chilled. I also got a new cocoa lotion. This is one of the best lotions ever, and I was really excited about it, so I got a cocoa lotion. Alright. Now, this is a lot of like stuff from like my family, but my grandma also got me this really big giant weekender bag because I feel like whenever I like come home from college, it's just like I throw everything into the most random bags I could possibly find, and I didn't really have like a good like weekender tote bag, like, you know, literally gigantic. It's huge. I stuffed all my Christmas gifts in here from Christmas Eve. So we're gonna open this bad boy up and see what's inside. First things in here is actually from my aunt, and at the beginning when I was like back to school shopping, I said I really wanted a white Adidas hoodie, like the really cute like aesthetic kind of ones, and she thought of me and remembered that and got me a really cute white Adidas hoodie. I thought it was really cute and thoughtful, so And I literally live in sweatshirts, so here we go. Also got me this really pretty sweater. I love sweaters. I think it's really, really cute with all the different colors on it. Another one of my aunts, I got this really cute bright red Victoria's Secret little fleecy oversized crew neck thing. I picked this out when I was home for Black Friday, but it's really, really cute. And I love the color of it. I think the color is super fun. My grandma also gets like everyone in my family Christmas pajamas every year and like to wear on Christmas Eve. So mine this year were these Fa La La Llama ones with the matching bottoms. But then she also decided to get me and my mom like a matching like nightgown little thing. So we wore those last night, but I still have another pair of Christmas jammies. Oh, I forgot to say the bottoms that I'm wearing are actually from my mom. These cute little ones, they're from Aerie. They're like the joggers, they're really, really cute. So I got lots of pajamas. Oh, and the scrunchies from Aerie too. I picked it out. Also got this from my grandma. This really, really pretty pink sweater from American Eagle. It's like cropped on the bottom and it's really, really, I love the color. It's super soft. I don't really have a lot of pink, so I'm glad I got pink. Something different for me. And my aunt also got me a ton of socks. So she got me these really cute pizza ones. These really cute ones that say Mary on them. Mary, so cute. Pack of boot socks, especially to wear with my Sperry boots because like they are like warm inside, but they're not like the warmest boots in the world, you know? You need like thick socks. And then she also got me another pack of boot socks. My other aunt and my cousins, they gave me this really, really pretty blanket scarf. I love scarves. This is from American Eagle. It's a really pretty checkerboard print. So then I also got this really, really cute festive like fun pack game. Just a little like card game like that are like Christmassy themed. I think it'll be like really fun, like especially like next year, like bring to college with me to do with my friends, like on just like a night where we're staying and not doing anything. Got some more socks. These are my favorite socks from American Eagle. So I got this really cute white pair, a cute gray pair, and then got this really cute sorry about my voice, pattern pair, and also got me this really cute brown skirt from American Eagle. And I actually bought one like this. I think it was around like it was definitely like around the fall time, and it's like striped and then like purple striped and like blues. So they had it in brown too, the same style. And like skirts, like I kind of have a hard time with sometimes, so I was like, oh, that worked for me, like let me get a different color because I have to wear, like I can't wear dead on the chapter meeting, so like it's nice to have like options. So like this is really, really cute. Also, I got this really cute secret sweatshirt. It's kind of like that other fleecy one. It kind of feels like a towel. It was different. I never really saw anything like that from Pink, so I was like, oh, that's like a different shirt. So next, I was so excited about this sweater because I wanted it a while ago and I didn't have my size. Then I had my size. So it's this really, really cute leopard off-the-shoulder sweater from Victoria's Secret. It is so soft. I love pink sweaters. They like, I think they just started coming out with sweaters this year and I love them. It's just what it looks like. And then it's also reversible, so you can wear the v-neck in the back or like in the front, or this in the front, and then it's really slouchy off the shoulder, cute. And then next, I actually wore this today. Fun fact. For Christmas Day. I got this really, really pretty cardigan from Aerie, and slouchy, oversized, just the right fit. And it's a really nice knitted material. It's really soft. So yeah, I got this and I love that. And to go with that, I also got this really pretty blanket scarf. And I love blanket scarves. They're so thick and cozy and warm. I got these really cute slippers from Pink because I realized that like after walking around like my dorm building, because like I kind of live in like a dorm complex where it's like three dorms in one, and then we share like a big laundry room area, and we have a grocery store, and we have like a little dining area downstairs. I was sick of wearing my Birkenstocks everywhere and having my feet out, or wearing socks and sandals, you know. But these are like so nice, like little furry slippers that I can wear, look a little bit more wintry, you know. They're not Birkenstocks. Yeah, I thought this was a really good idea. I asked for these, but they're really, really cute and fuzzy and soft. So yeah, I'm very excited about these. My aunt actually found this really, really cute necklace for me. and it's really adorable. It's one of these like trendy necklaces. Like I feel like literally everyone has these now. It's like the rectangle necklaces. I feel like everyone's wearing these like I just said. And it says, my favorite quote, everything happens for a reason. Between this quote and have courage and be kind, I don't know which one is my favorite quote. But I love this, and like that just, it's a good little reminder. And then Starbucks, that is a wonderful gift. So yeah, I got that, and then I also got some more gift cards. I got more Starbucks. Love that. I got Uber. Super convenient because like that's like a really good idea. I got an American Eagle gift card as well. In here I got a whole bunch of candy. I got my favorites, my Nerds ropes. Love these. I also got a Target gift card. Love Target. That's where I do my grocery shopping at when I'm at school, because the Walmart's like close, but like it's like the Target's closer. So that's just where I go. I also got some fun little Nerds. I love Nerds. And yeah, there's some more chocolate and stuff in there, and some mints. I needed mints. Guys, so that's pretty much everything I got for Christmas. There are like some other like little things just packed away that I don't really want to dig through. Pretty much all the main stuff that I got this year, and I'm really grateful as always. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what I got. I cannot wait to see what I got for Christmas hauls as well. I'm very excited to watch them. So yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed my video today. And if you guys did, please don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for some more videos just like these. If you have any video requests or anything you'd like to say, anything kind, please leave it in the comments below. And yeah, I guess I will talk to you guys later. Once again, I hope you guys had a Merry Christmas if you celebrate it. And if you do not, Happy Holidays to you guys. And alright, bye guys, thank you so much for watching. Oh, and Merry Christmas again. Okay, bye!